Hey guys, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to check me out on TikTok. Okay. Sorry, I was just watching Dixie. I know I'm gonna probably have a few car-related videos, including maybe even the video of the car, but for this video, I got a little a vacuum for the car, so that way I don't have to be at the house, or so this way I don't have to finding a extension cord that's long enough for to reach to the car, because I park in the street. And this way, if I'm out and about and need to vacuum out my car, I can, since I do go out to where there's to the country quite often. Because I can just plug it into my little cigarette outlet thingy. This is a good for now. It's not the 100% the best, but I got it from Family Dollar. That would be nice if I didn't have to have it, that doesn't come out at all. But it works. Which you kind of see. Because I did use it today. But it is very lightweight too, so. You got the motors in here, so got the fan for it. This is the on-off button, switch. And this, take this off, and then the filter comes out. And then this is a little an attachment to get the corners and stuff. And it's actually very simple to insert. You just gotta mat the flatter side. You gotta work with the angles of the vacuum. Or just know that obviously this goes to the bottom. So. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned until next time. Peace out, everybody.